पहन के डाइट करती हूँ. So it's my happy look. If you feel good, you look amazing. If you feel terrible, you can never look good. So that's very important. This event is not about my film. It's about eat and delete. So let's eat the book and delete the film covers. Okay.
Preity Zinta launched celebrity nutritionist Pooja Makhija's book Eat Delete at a bookstore in Mumbai.
If I knew she had written this book, I wouldn't have gone and met her. So she kind of cheated me. But I met her a year ago, and I think I've lost about 8 kilos since last year being with Pooja. She lives close by in Bandra, and everyone told me she was really amazing. And when I met her, I just realized that as a dietitian, she doesn't come out with these fat diets or things like that. So it was very easy for me to follow. I identified with her, and I think when you go to a dietitian who looks amazing after 2 kids, you look at her, you're like, okay, I'm sure she's doing something right.
Weight and weight loss or excess weight, these seem to be like names of family members, so close to most of our heart these days. But this word evokes different reactions or emotions from most different people. If I say the word weight loss, something else will come to everyone's mind. I'm sure each one of you has a different answer to when I first tell you what does weight loss actually mean to you. So if I was to use that word, what would be the first thing that would come to your minds? So if you will, most of you might be surprised that this book written by a nutritionist actually has the first words of what to eat and what not to eat and food and how to divide your meals only on page 168. So the first half of the book really wants to make your mind a stronger place for you to fight that battle. And because once we've fought it there, we have to be successful in whatever we have to do when it comes to weight loss.
Well, I think earlier I used to be on a seafood diet, which was like the minute I see food, I start eating. And I'm sure all of us have been on the diet at some point or the other. What I learned from Pooja was, and I'm talking individually about myself, not as a person. I'm a very desi kind of girl. I like dal, chawal, chapati, sabji. I like the basic food that you get in the home, at your home every day. So for me, diets that were these high funda diets and starve yourself, these kind of things don't work. And you know, being a film star, of course, there's pressure on you to look good. But I really feel bad for the normal people out there, because their pressure is, if you eat this diet, you will look like her. You can't look like anyone else. You have to feel good looking like yourself, right? I only look my best when I feel good about myself. And if you feel good, you look amazing. If you feel terrible, you can never look good. So that's very important.
Preity is going to tell everybody that as she lost weight because she ate, people are going to believe that eating is going to help them. So I think my celebrity quotient only enhances and helps me spread that word, because icons like them are always followed. So if they want to get to a particular size, everybody wants to get to a particular size. And if they are going to speak up and say that I eat and I love my food and I don't fear food and I can eat to be thin, it just magnifies everything I have to say manifold.
Any knowledge is important. Little knowledge is dangerous. So I think what is nice about this book, हाँ मैंने बहुत डाइट्स की बुक पढ़ी है और वो काम भी करती है. ये it is wrong to say कि यही book काम करती है. All those books work. The only difference is those books work till the day you are dieting. The minute you stop dieting, you put double that weight back on. And that's the scary part. And then you get more depressed and you want to kill yourself. So I think one of the biggest hits of this year has been Dirty Picture. That's not zero at all. That's not size zero at all. So I think if you want to make your own path, you will make your own path. एक size zero होगी तो 10 size zero बनना, it's a different thing. एक size 12 होगी and 10 people want to be size 12, it's a different thing. So I think Vidya Balan is beautiful, she's gorgeous, and she's a fabulous actor. I think more than any actress, I will first start with my family. I would love to give it to my mother. Not because she's overweight, because I love her very much, and I think this is a very good choice for a healthy lifestyle. And it will make my life a little more easier, because then she'll know exactly what to cook me. So I think this book is for everybody. It's not just for a you know, if I want to be very bad to somebody and say gift, I think it's a book for everyone. ये जब मैं डाइट करती हूँ ना, मैं hat पहन के डाइट करती हूँ. So it's my hat के look. This event is not about my film. It's about eat and delete. So let's eat the book and delete the film conversation.
Last question.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.